Hi, it's Justin over here at MarineMax, Pompano Beach. Gonna show you a fresh trade. It's a beautiful 2018 Galeon 485 HTS. Gonna step aboard and show you the options. It's a low hour clean trade sitting right here in our Pompano Beach MarineMax Marina. Got a hydraulic swim platform here on the transom. We do have chocks. You can put a jet ski or a small dinghy. Freshwater shower as you walk up on the starboard side. The teak is in excellent condition. Custom table cover. There are lower pedestal legs here that will go into place and turn this into a very nice large sunbed. Lots of seating. And then as we go into the sunroom here, this is completely air conditioned and climate controlled. Lots of natural light and windows. Just a great cruising experience for your family and friends. This sliding glass door here in the back with the window will go down all the way and seamlessly integrate exterior and interior lifestyle. So you can accommodate a lot of people and cruise and never be disconnected. The great thing is there's air conditioning controls with 2 separate compressors, so the room stays nice and cold. Looking up, we got an opening sunroof here and also an opening starboard side window. Let's take a look at the helm. Boat's equipped with a Garmin electronics package, including autopilot, a nice 12-inch touchscreen, your Volvo Penta displays. It's also IPS driven, so very easy to maneuver at the dock. Let's take a look downstairs in the cabin. Once you see the finish to detail, everything that Galeon is just highest quality. Look at these beautiful teak and holly floors. Looking starboard, we got a nice U-shaped salon area with a high-low pedestal. This can also be turned into another berth should you need it. Looking up, lots of skylights with shades, very high, over 6.5 foot headroom down here. Looking at the galley, you got a cooktop, nice Samsung convection microwave oven, stainless steel sink, plenty of counter space, lots of cabinet space. Check out this master as we go aft. The boat shows like new. It is a 2018. Customer traded it in for a larger yacht. But we got a beautiful master stateroom here, which is full beam. Notice the windows. Plenty of natural light. Ensuite master head here, electric flush Tecma toilet, vessel sink, plenty of natural light. Love this full stand-up separate shower with plenty of headroom. Moving forward is our VIP suite. Storage drawers under the bed. It's an island queen. Steps on both sides. Very easy for both to get into the bed. You don't have to scoot anyone over. Notice all the beautiful indirect LED lighting that Galeon puts on this yacht. And they don't sacrifice space. Space everywhere you need it with opening cabinets. Flat screen television. Then access to the wet head here. Beautifully equipped, another electric flush toilet, plenty of storage, mirrors, vanity space, really beautiful hardware, stainless steel, woodwork. Let's walk around, and something I want you to notice when we walk on the exterior of the boat is going to be how wide these walkways are. You feel safe, secure. Grab handles high, grab handles low. And then under this custom cover here, we have a bimini top and a sun lounger. So great place to hang out. You have nice flat decks, so you don't feel like you're rolling from one side to the other. Guys, this is Justin over here at MarineMax, Pompano Beach. Give us a call at 954-783-9555 to come tour this beautiful, fresh 2018 Galeon 485 HTS trade. 954-783-9555, and that's 700 South Federal Highway, Pompano Beach, Florida.